going on, everyone? Welcome to another stream. Bitcoin at 44,400. You can see the title of the stream today. Bitcoin continues the bullish push. I apologize if I look like a ghost right now. We're still working on the lighting a little bit over here, okay? But at least we don't have the Illuminati poster in the back. I think that's bullish. Let me know in the chat if you guys think that the Illuminati poster being gone is bullish.
Strap up. We're going
Let
to
me
the
know.
moon.
Also, hit up that like button before we get started, guys. It helps out the stream. That's what you can do to help out the stream. All right? So, Bitcoin right now, 44,400, another green day. All right? We're talking about, besides one little red day, okay? Besides one little red day, we are looking at this, right? We're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the last 7 days being green. That's good to see after just a continuous downtrend. This is exciting, man. This is exciting, and I think we should all kind of enjoy, kind of everything. Sorry for that fake stream earlier. If you guys watched that fake stream earlier, by the way, that was hilarious. I don't know what happened, right? It just went live by itself. I wasn't even on YouTube. I was on Twitter, and we went live for some reason. I have no idea what was going on, man. I have no idea what was going on. Yes, I am glowing because I am so bullish right now. I am so bullish that I am glowing. Let's get into it. So, another green day. It's actually, if we can close where we're at today, it's going to be the highest daily close since we've had since the big dump on January 5th. I think this is awesome, man. I think this is awesome. Yeah, literally, we went live by accident earlier, and there was like 150 people in here saying, and I was like, I'm not live. What do you mean? I'm not live. You got a notification. I'm not live. And I ended up being live for some reason, but it's okay. We're back on track, and here we go. You meant to hit live on OnlyFans, not Twitter. Exactly. We didn't quite get to that part, which is good on YouTube. We didn't get canceled, but it's okay. We didn't quite get to that part. We were like probably 2 minutes away from getting to that part. But anyways, like I said, Bitcoin's continuing up here. We're still not quite at that 46K resistance yet, but we are making our way back up there. We're almost at that Java liquidation point. We're kind of slowly making that way to a Java liquidation point. We know that's at 45,500. Java has another thing to say to you guys before we get into this, right? Guys, you better start shorting. You only have another day left. Bitcoin's gonna dump tomorrow. You better start shorting. If you don't start shorting now, you guys are gonna lose all your shoes, all your shirts, okay? You guys are gonna do all this. Do not lose all your stuff. You better start shorting now, you idiots. You guys are a bunch of idiots. Short. Stop getting bullish. Stop being long. Go short. No, but listen, 44,361, all right? Let's see what happens next, man. I mean, listen, man, what I'll say is Bitcoin loves to retrace to the golden pocket, right? And if we look at where the golden pocket is here, we take our swing low to swing high. Is Bitcoin going to have another retrace here? All the way back down to 43.4. It keeps doing it, and it keeps kind of staying in this range like we've seen the last couple days. Are we going to come back down to like the $43,400, $43,500 level before we continue up? You see Bitcoin's coming down a little bit right now. That's the question I'm watching, right? We're getting higher lows continuously. We actually broke to the upside out of this little symmetrical triangle we were watching here. You guys can see we had higher lows coming in, lower highs coming in. We broke to the upside. We actually back tested it. As we were watching yesterday, this morning, we actually back tested this, and we got a continuation up. Are we going to continue? That's the big question that we're watching here. We have room to run on the 1 hour, okay? So that is good. If Bitcoin wants to have a pump, it has more room to pump. And I think it can, right? I think it can. I got a little feeling in my Jimborees that Bitcoin is not done on this run. I do think we're going to go higher, right? So, guys, smash up the like button if you guys think that Bitcoin's going to go higher. I'm about to get pumped. Let's go. I'm sipping my tea while I'm doing this because I'm starting to sound like BitBoy. Hot as balls again. All right, guys. Have a feeling in my balls. Okay, my balls are actually really hot right now. In case you were wondering, my balls are really hot. I'm sweating right now, but that's okay. That's okay. We can all sweat. I'm sweat. We're all sweat. What's new? All right, what's new on the stream? But anyways, 44,312. Let's see if we get continuation, right? There's not much to say other than that. I mean, if we were to take a look at our measured move from our swing high to our swing low and what this could entail, right? It could entail a move possibly up to about the $46,600, 46.6. All right, sorry about my nose. My nose is still a little stuffily, guys. So if I sound a little weird sometimes, it's because my nose is a little stuffily wuffly. Too much information? It's not too much information. If you think that's too much information, you got a long way to go, right? You got a long way to go. But anyways, we have a bunch of stuff to look at today. Real quick, before we jump into some charts, guys, the liquid supply of Bitcoin just continues to rise. All right, the holders that do not move their coins, the ones that just sit on it, just keep accumulating, right? So listen. There's a lot of bullish things going on right now, and I know I'm sounding more bullish than I have in the last couple weeks, right? I know I'm sounding more bullish today, but I am, right? I looked at a bunch of things this morning, and listen, there's a bunch of good things going on right now. You guys know the good news that's coming out, and this is some of the good news that we need to come out. We're hearing this Russia stuff coming out. We're hearing this these states news coming out. We're getting some bullish news. That's what we need. And you combine it with this on-chain stuff, with the liquid supply just continuing to go up. Now the price is starting to follow. We know when there's divergence, when this is going, price is coming down and a liquid supply is going up, you usually means that we're going to see the price follow up in that direction. And that's what we're seeing now, right? Finally, it took us a little bit. Okay, it took us a little bit, but we're finally getting that move in that direction, which is great. The other thing is this right here. So this is the short-term to long-term coin ratio. What this is, okay, it basically shows you, how many coins are held by long-term versus short-term. And you can see right now that we actually hit the lows. My head's in the way. You can't really see. But down here, guys, we hit the lows down here. And you can see that every single time we came into this green box, and you actually see the price coming up, and this actually coming down, it leads to usually a major rally, right? It happened back in 2015. It happened back in the bear market in March of 2020, and that led to a significant rise, okay? And we just saw it again with a higher low, and this coming into the green box again. So you guys can look at this yourself, and this is a lot of these things. It's not just the charts. A lot of these things are getting me super excited, man. And I don't know. It could just be the moon boy in me, okay? It could just be the new moon boy in me, but blind. I'm blind. Listen, guys. If I could come up with all black charts, I would, okay? But unfortunately, some of them are going to be whiter than a bunny, okay? Whiter than a bunny, all right? I'm blind. Jordan, stop using white charts. No! Come on, Jordan! This is ridiculous! Come on, man! I can't see anything! How am I supposed to watch around the blockchain now? How am I supposed to watch around the blockchain? I can't! When I'm blind! Anyways, we'll jump back to more charts now. I quickly want to touch on a couple non-chart things. Okay, we're going to come back to the charts now. There's a ton of things to look at. Daily close is wrong. It is wrong. Unfortunately, but that's okay, man. That's okay. The daily close is in 17 minutes. Not 46 minutes, 17 minutes. Let's see. So the 4 hour, not much has really changed on the 4 hour. What I will say is the 4 hour has momentum that if it wants to continue up, it has the momentum to do so, right? We have no bearish divergence on the 4 hour, right? We're above the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. Whenever we're above the 200 EMA on the 4 hour, you have to give it I would say, more of a medium-term bias bull, okay? So right now we're above that moving average. Perfect. Our stock RSI on the 4-hour also bottomed out, so we do have the room for some momentum on the 4-hour time frame here, and the 4-hour RSI still has some room to run. So all these things on the short-term time frames that we're kind of talking about here all point to possibly another run up for BTC. Maybe not tonight, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Who knows, right? Who the frick knows? But everything's kind of pointing to maybe Bitcoin having a run here very, very shortly. All right. The daily time frame still below the previous lows, like we said. Still got some work to do there, but I mean, just look at the daily, guys. And just a quick rant alert, guys. Quick rant alert, real quick.
Rant alert.
Quick rant alert. This is how fast sentiment can change, okay? And this is what we talk about all the time, man. This is what we talk about all the time, and people forget this. People forget this every single time, and every time I bring this up, people's like, you're dumb, it can't switch that fast. You guys remember down here, all right? Now, think about it this way. Everyone is bullish right now, all right? Everyone, I would say everyone is a little bit more bullish than they were before. You guys remember down here, it was doomsday, okay? It was absolute doomsday. Bitcoin, everyone calling for 20K, this and that, this and that, this and that, right? Bitcoin pumps up, what? We're talking Bitcoin pumping up about 10,000. How much in percentage terms, man? Bitcoin getting a pump up about 27%. And now everyone's bullish, just like that. You see how fast Bitcoin can change. And this is why, even though a couple weeks ago I was feeling a little bit more bearish than I am now, you have to give Bitcoin the benefit of the doubt, because Bitcoin's always going to bounce when you least expect it, right? There was so many, so much fun and things like that just a couple days ago, and boom, Bitcoin just pops right to the upside. And that is why Bitcoin is freaking awesome. And that is why, in my opinion, it's so important just to hold. Stop trying to swing trade this market at the moment. I think is a fool's errand. Now you might say, Jordan, you said you're going to take profits on the way up. Yeah, I'm going to take profits. I ain't trying to swing trade my whole portfolio, though. All right, so this is why, in my opinion, the hodlers always come out on top, because the people that were trying to buy low were waiting for 30K. They were waiting for 25K. They were waiting for 20K. Some of them even waiting for freaking. Some of them even waiting for freaking 10K. And we know who that was, right? We know who that is. Who's that guy?
Not out of the woodwork yet, but we gun go up.
We gun go up. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Guys, this is just a dead cat bounce for Bitcoin, right? Don't let Jordan fool you. This is just a dead cat bounce. Me and Jordan went on a fishing trip earlier today, and we talked about the current state of the Bitcoin market, okay? We caught a lot of fish, and in between the fish, I was trying to explain to Jordan that this is just a dead cat bounce, guys. Bitcoin is going back down to 10K. This is just the Amazon bubble fractal, okay? All Bitcoin's going to do is exactly like Amazon did in the early 2000s. It is going to just have a complete, utter chaotic dump all the way back down to probably back. I could even see Bitcoin all the way going back down to 3K, right? That's a technical target all the way back down to 3K. But when that does happen, I see a major rally. I still believe this is going to happen, right? Bitcoin is going back down. Nothing has changed, guys. Nothing has changed. Bitcoin's just coming up about 27%, but nothing has changed, guys. Don't let anyone fool you in the chat, okay? Don't let Jordan fool you, okay? He might be a little happy today because he ate a lot of fish. We caught a lot of fish today, guys. We won't talk about our fishing trip, but, guys, we are still bearish.
Nothing has changed.
All right? Have a good day, guys. See ya. See? Savvy still thinks we're going to 8K. Let me take a sip of tea real quick, because holy majoli, the voice is going to be gone tomorrow. Wow, that was kind of hot. That was kind of hot. Woo! No wonder why I'm sweating. Woo! Might be multiple reasons why I'm sweating, but that tea was definitely one of them. Holy moly. Holy moly. What's going on, DJ, man? DJ's always the stud in the chat. James said fishing for Bitcoin and Cardano. Okay, interesting choices. Oh, and Solana. Okay. I didn't see that in there either. Nice, man. I love fishing. Don't get your hopes up. All right. Continuing on our charts. All right, we're going to continue on here. We're not going to waste any time today. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. all right, we still have to get above the 50-week moving average. Now we can get bullish, 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 bullish. Jordan, shut the heck up. Stop saying bullish. We know you're bullish. What are you, George? Stop saying you're bullish. In order for us to get truly bullish, okay, we got to get back above that 50-week. We've said that every single bear market, we've gotten rejected by the 50-week when we do break down below it and we come back up and back test it. So right now, we said that's that's sitting at a flat 48K. Okay, that's a beautiful number, by the way. 48K, right? We have to get back above that, right? It was our support. It was our support. It was our support. We broke down. Now, if we come back up and test this again, it gets resistance. Boop, coming back down, right? Just like we did in 2018, right? Support, support, broke it, back tested, boop, right back down, right? So that is what we don't want to see, okay? So we also did it back in 2014. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I think in order for us to get truly, truly, truly excited, like, oh my gosh, maybe we are going to 80K, maybe we are going to 90K. I think we got to get back above that, and then we can be very, 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 very. Everyone's balls can be popping out. We can be kicking all the bears' balls. All the bulls can just whip them out just because they're so confident. Woo! Whip out all our balls. Kick all the bears in the balls with steel toe boots. I can't kick the bears in the balls right now because I'm in a seat. Usually I'm not in a seat, and I can just kind of go, but I can't do it right now. But anyways. Anyways, hit on the like button for kicking the bears in the balls, guys. Let's get. All right, guys. Quick rant alert here, guys. Quick rant alert. I know.
Rant alert.
I know there is a bunch of you guys that watch this stream every day, if not, 4 or 5 times a week. Okay. Hit that like button for your boy, okay? It helps the stream a lot. Let's get to 1,000 likes today, all right? I don't want to shill the likes, but let's get back to 1,000 likes, and we can do it consistently. We don't have to shill it, all right? I appreciate all you that do that. Seriously. And how could we not be in good spirits? The crypto market is going up. This is exactly what we want to see. How could we all not be in good spirits? I'm in good spirits. We're all in good spirits. Now, I might have just burned my throat a little bit, okay? Don't make any dirty jokes in the chat, but how could we not be in good spirits? All right, seriously. Some good tea. I love green tea. People try to put this like hibiscus tea on me and these herbal teas. I don't know what those are. All right, I love green tea. That's all I gotta say. Green tea is the best. Going back to the weekly time frame. Once again, we're still looking at our running flat here where we have 2 higher lows and we have 2 higher highs. All right? 2 higher lows and 2 higher highs. Right? So what we're still looking at is our running flat. All right? It's a continuation pattern. It doesn't show the continuation on this little chart here. But we're still looking for this. We're still looking for this to have a continuation up. Just like it does on this We're a Trader. I don't know. Why would you, if you're going to make a company, why would you call it Wyra? All right? I'm very, very bearish on Wyra. Just a quick little note. And what's this logo? What is this logo? Who made this logo? Okay? Don't get me started. Who the heck made this logo? It's better than my logo. I don't even have a logo. My logo is my face, I guess. But, I don't know. What I'll say is, will this continue up just like we are doing at the moment? Where are we? Right here. Are we going to continue up? Right? Because it's looking very, very similar. It's looking very, very similar. We just need to see the continuation now, which we are getting at the moment. We just need Bitcoin to start, just continue a little bit more momentum, right? Get it back up the weekly support band, as Ben Cowan would say, right? We got to get back above the weekly support band. Where's my boy? Where is he? Ben, come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. You got to talk about the weekly time frame real quick. Come on, Ben. All right, guys. Ben's coming on real quick. He's going to talk about the 20-week. Thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today, we're going to talk about the weekly support band for the third time this week. All right, so let's jump right on in. So, guys, Bitcoin still has not got back above the weekly support band. Right now, the weekly support band is simply sitting at a dubious, a very, very dubious $51,100. It's looking extremely dubious. Hold on, I got to fix my hair, guys. There we go. Looking extremely dubious at the moment. Now, we're still waiting. In order for Bitcoin to get back above this, we got to get back above 51,100. And that, the ferret tail. It looks like a ferret tail. If we can get back above that and then come back down and flip it as support, that's when we can truly get, bullish vibes. But at the moment, we have not done that. So I think it's a little bit too early to get super, super bullish. And we have to take a step back and realize that as long as we're below the weekly support band, we have to remain not schedule our Forbes interviews, not getting out of bed for a $44,000 Bitcoin, when just a month ago, we would have been pissed at a $44,000 Bitcoin. So let's not get out of bed yet. We still have a lot of work to do in getting back above the weekly support band, but I think right now, we can celebrate Bitcoin's price movements. Okay, so that's all I have to say. Thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. If you guys want to join the premium list, you can join that right in the description down below. Smack up the like button, subscribe. Bye. I love how to this day I love how he just says bye. No enthusiasm. Bye. But anyways, let's see what we're looking at here. So, like I said, like Ben said, this is why I love having guests on, because I don't have to talk the whole time. Okay, I can take a little bit of a break. It's great. Like Ben said, we got to get back above the 20 week. We got to get back above the 50 week. They're relatively close to each other, right? They're separated by about 3,000, but we got to get back above both those moving averages on the longer term time frames to get super, super dubious. All right, super, super dubious. Let's see, what's Bitcoin doing right at the moment? 44,271. What do you know? Another stream, another sideways. What do you know? Do Jordan now. We'll do some more guys in a second, guys. I know you guys like when I do guys. One more thing. You guys know I'm not a big market cipher guy. But what I will say is, this is when I saw someone else talk about this. I think it was actually the guy on BitBoy. Oh, man, I'm stuffy, man. I am so stuffy. I'm not bad, and it's only when I talk for a consistent period of time where my nose gets stuffy, but that's okay. If we look here, right, when this the yellow comes up, right, when the yellow comes up and about to flip bullish, every single time that's happened, Bitcoin has gone on a significant rally. Really since, you can go all the way back in time since, you can even go back to 2020, 2019. It's all the same. Every single time that this flips, Bitcoin goes on a significant rally. And that is about to flip if we can hold where we are this week, right? If Bitcoin can hold, somewhere above the 43K range, we should be able to flip this back up. And listen, I typically not a big fan, but when you do look at this, man, right here is when we flipped, look, right there, boom, flipped it, boom. Right here, we flipped it back up. Boom. Right over here, right? We went negative, we flipped it, boom. Right here, flipped it up, boom. Right here, boom, flipped it. You can see, and it's happening again, right? We're about to flip this back up here. So you guys can see all the time. I'm not gonna bore. I know you guys don't come to here for this boring stuff, but I think it's important to look at this and realize. And this is why when I look at all these longer term time frame stuff, and yeah, it's okay to flip your bias every now and then because Bitcoin is looking better, right? A lot of these longer term time frames are looking sweet, absolutely sweet, with things that we wouldn't expect it to happen just a couple days ago. It's awesome, man. Absolutely awesome. Let's see. Creighton said, BitBoy is not a hack. He's all grown up now and is wearing different shirts. So totally focused now. The different shirts. All right, here it is. The best channel in the interwebs. Guys, today I am wearing a t-shirt. I am not wearing a Hawaiian shirt. Let me know if you guys are bullish on the t-shirt, okay? You guys can also see I've been working out. Me and TJ have been hitting the gym. I can now outbench TJ, okay? I am now wearing t-shirts. This is extremely bullish, and this is another sign that Bitcoin is going to pump. Ever since I started wearing Hawaiian shirts, Bitcoin has been bearish. So this is great. This is great. And that's the only indicator I have today. Like I said, I'm still 55% bullish, guys, 45% bearish. But I do think that the t-shirts are extremely, extremely bullish for Bitcoin going into 2022. All right? So, as always, TJ, can you ban all these guys in the chat? No, they're making fun of my t-shirt. And they're saying I look short. They're saying I look short on the screen. TJ, can you ban them? What? BitBoy, what is this face? BitBoy, we can't ban all our subscribers. Who's gonna watch our videos? No one's gonna be able to watch our videos now. Everyone's a hater on our channel. I can't ban all the haters. How much? What is this face? I can't ban all the haters. BitBoy, what do I do? Oh, man, what is that face? That's worse than the other one. Oh, you can't ban all the subscribers, man.
Jordan, let's stop with penny bets. Let's call the BTC price at 830.
3G. Clint, I'm not doing a $3,000 bet, man.
$3,000 bet. I win, you pay me $3,000.
Clint.
I lose, I pay you.
Clint, I don't have any more fiat, man. I bought all the dips. I got no fiat. I'm not doing a $3,000 bet, man. Come on, dude. Come on, man. All right. If you want to do a bet, $100. All right. I'm not doing some $1,000, $3,000 bet for a close. Okay. Come on, man. But seriously, if you want to do a $100 bet, I'm in. All right. Let me actually go back over here real quick. We have a couple different things to look at for BTC, but 44.3. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat. Michelle said, I heard some talk about a pullback to 41K due to the CME gap. What do you think about that? Does that have to happen? I mean, Bitcoin usually does come back to fill those CME gaps. There is still one, I think there's still one, down at like 3K or something like that never got filled. Okay. You know what I mean? I think there's still one at 3K that never got filled. So maybe 41K will come. But if I was a betting man, I mean, it's because it's so close, maybe it'll happen, but I mean, they don't always fill, right? They don't always fill. Who knows, man? Who knows, man? The 3K gap. Bets on fear and greed. All right, let's see. Got Lewis in the chat. Here's Lewis. Boo! Your faces are weak now. Where's the original faces? Where's Blockhead George? We want Blockhead George. Everyone say in the chat, we want Blockhead George. We want Blockhead George. We want Blockhead George.
Pro Bullish, they have a Super Bowl.
That's the only one I don't have, man. That's the only one. Oh, man. We want Blockhead George. Blockhead. That's so bad, man. George, if you're watching this, listen, it's all in good fun, man. It's all in good fun. Your head is great, man. You have a perfect head. Your head is perfect, man. Seriously. Don't let anyone say your head is not perfect, because it is a great, great, great head. Let's see. James said, good to be back. Could you do TA on ADA next? Also, fix daily close clock. Love you, boss. It's too late now. It's too late. But listen, we will do ADA absolutely for you, my friend. Love you too, James. Thanks for being a member for 7 months, man. That's it's kind of nuts, man. It's kind of nuts that it's been 7 months. Last year flew by pretty quick. Flew by pretty freaking quick. All right, let's see. So ADA. What do we got going on ADA? ADA. So ADA. You gotta listen. ADA's got to break above its EMAs in the daily time frame, right? I mean, that's really all it comes down to. I mean, you've just got consistent rejections from there. You've gotten a little bit of momentum above, but then you come back down and test and you just break it. So you got to get, just like Ben Cowan says, you got to get back above the 20-week moving average. For these alts, let's focus on getting back above the 20-day EMAs, right? Exponential moving averages, okay? And Bootney, come on, dude. Bootney just said George gives the best head. Oh man, I mean, Boots is a girl. So Boots, I guess Boots would know. But anyways, we got it for these altcoins. We got to get back above these daily EMAs, right? And we also got to get back to the swing lows. And ADA has not done it yet. And then when you do that, you got to get back above the downtrend and resistance points. But you know, that's sort of a zoomed out view, I would say. Now, if we were to zoom in a little bit, let's actually get rid of this real quick. Let's go to the 4 hour. And look what we're looking at here. So on the 4 hour time frame, let's see what we're cooking with. So 4 hour, we are, let's see, right below. I mean, I'm going to go to the hourly actually, just to get even more zoomed in here. That's what we like to do. We like to zoom in on the charts. That's what we do here. So you're getting consistent higher lows. You actually did break that hourly short-term trend line. Listen, man. Typically this would be bearish, okay? And it looks like, I mean, at least on the short-term time frames, you were in some type of kind of a bear flag. So you had a continuation down, right? A rise up in a channel, usually a continuation down, and that's exactly what you saw. So, you know, the technical target of this, we take swing high to swing low, and we would extrapolate that over at the breakout point. That's going to put your target back down here at $1.08. So, listen, man, that it could be a possibility for ADA. That's only if Bitcoin drops, though, right? Keep that in mind. That's only if Bitcoin drops. You can see the volume's kind of tapering off here, which usually does signal that a move is coming relatively shortly, right? Volume's tapering off. You just broke out of a channel. You didn't get a ton of volume on the breakout, though, right? So, a lot of times you want to see the volume coming in. But at the moment, you didn't see any volume come in. So should we really care about this breakdown? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't trust it based off the volume. I'll say that. I will say that. Bitcoin's not really having any volume, too. The volume's actually just getting crushed for Bitcoin, too. Look at the volume on the hourly. Ever since a couple days ago, just consistent volume coming down. You're seeing this from pretty much everything. Pretty much everything at the moment. All right, let's see. What else are you guys saying in here? What else are you guys saying? Barry. What's going on, Barry? Barry's a great name, by the way. Barry is a great name. Sorry for the fuzz in the background. I can see it. The fuzz. But anyways, Barry said, not out of the woodwork yet, but we gon' go up. We gon' go up. We gon' go up. Someone's got to help me find George. Someone's going to help me find George. Yo! I kind of like that guy, to be honest. But yeah, we're not out of the woods yet, right? We're clawing through the woods, right? We're slowly clawing through the woods. We can see the light. Okay, the light is there. And this is kind of like we said last summer, right? We're kind of clawing through the woods. We're not out yet. There's still some snacks in the woods that we're maybe munching on. Maybe there's a purple Dorito here. Maybe there's some chicken tikka over here. And we're still kind of eating in the woods, right? We're bears in the woods. But when we get out of the woods, that's when we become bulls in the valley, right? But we're almost out, right? We're almost out. We can almost reach our hand out and reach outside of the bushes and the trees, okay? We're so close to getting there, but not quite yet. Not quite yet. Gon' go up. Bitcoin gon' go up. All right. Ross said, not sure if anyone mentioned, but Bitcoin is negative year over year. S&P is looking dope. S&P. Bitcoin's negative year to year. I mean, that's kind of cherry picked. To be fair, to say, hold on.
You should
Rant
be
alert.
investing in stocks, not crypto.
Listen.
I think you should do a poll.
Oh, we got Clint coming in again.
$3 grand bet because I'm smarter or Clint's boy. Would love to hear
What?
his song. Rock on, young buck.
Come on, man. Clint, I'll do that for $100, okay? Maybe. I'll have to think about that. All right. Here's what I'll say. That's kind of cherry picking. To say that Bitcoin's down year over year is cherry picking. Yes, it is down. It is down year over year. But listen, that's just completely ignoring what Bitcoin did in 2020. It's completely ignoring what altcoins did in 2021. That is so cherry picked, right? Yeah. Bitcoin's down since February 9, 2021. Yeah, obviously, but it's kind of cherry picked. A little bit, I would say, Ross. Is it true? Yes, it is true. I will say that. S&P, what's the S&P doing right now? Yeah, S&P's looking good. So this is good for Bitcoin. I mean, we want to continue to see this go up. Looks like we're actually, excuse me, guys. Woo. Looks like we're actually might be coming up to test these highs, right? So we have a previous local high up at February 2nd, all right? Will we break that previous local high? That is the question, right? That is the question. If we break that, S&P is going to continue up, which is obviously, it's not just about the S&P, it's about the NASDAQ and everything else. But obviously seeing this going up is extremely, extremely good for BTC. Let's just break this swing high here, and bada bing, bada boom. This is cooking and should bring up crypto with it, right? So not looking too shabby. Not looking too shabby. That's all I'll say. That's all I will say. Where's the bear market crash? Where is the stock market?
Rant alert.
Where is the stock market crash, man? Stop calling for a stock market crash. I will repeat again, it will happen at some point. But stop calling it. People have been calling it for freaking years. It'll happen at some point, but you're better off not calling for the freaking crash. Okay? It goes up, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up. Obviously, at some point, it won't. Obviously, nothing goes up forever, but stop trying to call it. Because you sound ridiculous for years, and then all of a sudden, you get, it'll crash at one point. It'll crash at one point. And then everyone's going to think you're a genius. When for 10 years, you've been saying, stock market's going to crash, stock market's going to crash, stock market's going to crash. No! You haven't been right, man. You've called the stock market crashing for freaking years, bro. I don't want to hear these guys calling stock market crash, man. Because here's the thing. They're going to act like geniuses when it does happen, but you're going to ignore the 10 years of history of it absolutely moving to the upside, man. It's ridiculous, dude. Absolutely ridiculous. Jordan, you got to do Meet Kevin for real. I've been hearing about this controversy with Meet Kevin, guys. What is this controversy with Meet Kevin? I don't watch Meet Kevin, so I don't know. What is the controversy with Meet Kevin? Because I've seen people saying he's quitting live streaming. He's got some thin skin. I've seen all this stuff. Can someone in the chat tell me what is going on with Meet Kevin? Can you help me out here, guys? Because I'm totally out of the blue. I'm not as hip as you guys. You guys are way more hip than me. Clearly, I'm not very hip at all. I will say that. In the meantime, let's see here. The 200 going to cross back over the 50 EMA on the DXY soon. What does that mean? What does this mean? We'll check that out, DJ. The 200 is going to cross over the 250 on EMA and the DXY. Let's see. What's the DXY been doing? DXY has just been going sideways. I don't know if that's going to mean anything. I mean, listen, we can look at it. We can certainly look at it here. I mean, let's check it out, right? Let's check it out. Let's actually bring up a couple EMAs here. Let's bring up, where is it? Where we're looking at here. Come on, man. Exponential. There it is. 1, 2. All right. And let's make one of them the 200. And let's make one of them the 50, man. So it's another golden cross. A golden cross on the EMAs. And it's on the weekly time frame? Okay. So let's take a look. when was the last time that this happened, right? Where the blue went over the let's see. So we had a bearish one here, which actually you had a bearish one here that actually, you know, was relatively, you know, obviously you had a couple more weeks to the downside, but then you relatively kind of recovered from there. You also had a bearish one here, and that actually marked the bottom. Then you had a bullish one, and then it went up. What else did you have here? You had a bullish one back here. Kind of led to a downside. I don't know, man. I would say that based off the history you have, there's not a ton. I would say, I mean, it does seem like short term it might have a little bit of effect on it, and obviously that's good for. I mean, that's bad for crypto, right? You expect golden cross, you move up. I'm not a big fan of the golden crosses, to be honest, or I'm not a big fan of golden crosses and death crosses in general. I think they're more so just lagging indicators. They're already telling you what's happening. I'll have to look into that a little bit more over the course of time to see if it has any significance. But obviously, we want the DXY to go down. Generally, that's good for crypto, and we'll go from there, right? We'll go from there. Meet Kevin told everyone to buy the dip on small cap stocks this whole bull run, selling $900 courses, flipped bearish, calling for crash out of nowhere. Interesting. He cashed out in anticipation of a bear market, but even admittedly had no idea when it could happen. Okay. Why is he quitting though? Like, that's fine. I think a lot of people, like, they get butthurt for saying that they're bearish, man. Like, why are we quitting? Why is everyone crapping on him? Like, I get it. I get the $900 courses. I get it, man. Listen. Me, Kevin's probably a smart guy. I don't really know him, to be honest. But, you know, yeah, we won't get into too much of that. I will say, because I don't know anything about him. I'm not going to comment if I don't know anything about the guy. Let's see. Thanks again, Clint. T said Crow is bullish. They have a Super Bowl ad too. Crow is bullish. Yeah, guys, I want to comment on this Super Bowl thing, guys. Listen, I want to comment on this because, you know, I think a lot of people think that the Super Bowl thing is going to be bullish. What I'll say is, you know, it's actually not getting hyped that much. I think it's a little bit overrated. But, guys, what have we seen in the past? When things get super overhyped, it usually causes a short-term dump, right? So don't think that these Super Bowl ads are going to cause a pump. I would say it's either going to be a nothing burger or it's going to cause a dump. It's going to be one of the two. That's not me coming out to be super negative. It's just a matter of the fact. Look at Dogecoin SNL. Look at El Salvador Buy Bitcoin Day. Look at all. There's probably plenty of other examples in the past. Look at the Matt Damon crypto ad. It was exactly at the top, man. If anything, it's going to be a dump. It's not going to cause some major rally, right? You usually see these buy the rumor, sell the news events. Or it's going to be a nothing burger, okay? One of the two. Do I think it's going to have effect? No, I'd say it's probably going to be a nothing burger, if anything. But if it was to have effect in the market, I would say it's going to cause a dump. It's going to cause a dump. All right, let's go look at Crow. Crow. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. At best, it'll be bullish for a meme coin. I bet. What's it? Floki's gonna have an ad. Guys, Floki Inu is gonna be in the Super Bowl. I own that. I own so much Floki Inu. It has so many zeros. Guys, invest in Floki Inu before the Super Bowl. It's gonna go off. This is not financial advice, but buy Floki Inu. Do it. I'm telling you. It's gonna go off at the Super Bowl. They just bought a $1 million ad slot. It's gonna go off. I heard that from Final Stand. Final Stand told me that. Floki Inu to the moon. I need the bird head. You're right. I need the bird head. Let's see. Oh, my voice is gonna be shot tomorrow. I can already tell. Let's see. So let's get the bird. The bird. Bird is the word, and I'm a bird. All right, let's see. Bird. Let's see. Floki. All right, Crow. let's take a look at Crow real quick. So Crow does look good in the charts. You know, bada bing, bada boom, broke that downtrend of resistance. Boom! Looks beautiful if you ask me. I used to say that a lot. I don't really say that anymore. It looks beautiful if you ask me. But let me actually get rid of these EMAs real quick. Boom, boom. All right, so you smack that to the upside. That is very, very bullish. Very, very bullish on the short term here. All right? Now, you still have some room to run on the daily here. Okay? Daily still has room to run. Volume's just tapering off like a freaking stick. Literally flipping off like a stick. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. Let's see where we're sitting. So we are sitting, and this is textbook, man. This is textbook. Look what we're sitting for Crow. For Crow, you're sitting right at the swing lows. Right there, man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Woo! Woo! Holy moly. That was great. That was great. But yeah, I mean, you're sitting right below the previous swing lows. So we got to break back above those previous swing lows. We got to do it. We got to do it. We got to do it. And until we do that, we can't get out of bed. We can't schedule our Forbes interviews. We just can't do it, man. We can't do it. Woo! Logic said you couldn't have lost the Angry Bird, but you lost all the other good ones. Of course I couldn't lose the Angry Bird, man. Who do you want, man? Who do you want? You want, I know who you want. I know who you want, Pelagic. Let's see. Come on, what was this? What the name was? It was like Squiggly or something. Squiggly, Squirgy, Skeegy. What's a word that starts with S? Let me get this bird off my head. What's a word that starts with S? Just to finish up with Crow real quick before I get off topic. Let's actually take our Fibonacci's. So we smacked the 236. Listen, I will say that I like what Bitcoin's doing at the moment. I think a move back up to this 382, back up towards 57 cents, makes a lot of sense for another move for Crow. Get room to run in every time frame. Crow looks good, man. Crow looks good. I think it'll continue. Bitcoin's coming down a little bit right now. Am I worried at the moment? Absolutely not. Well, it's not really coming down. It's sort of just in the same range it's been in the last 2 days, right? That's what I'll say about that. Slinky? Oh, you're right. It might have been Slinky. Oh. If you guys got this right, I will love you. Hold on. Slinky. I knew it was some, No, it wasn't Slinky, man. It was something like that. It was like squiggly, you know, something where you kind of shake your head. You guys know, right? You know Jimmy kind of shakes his plunger head. Some word that started with S. Shaky? Was it shaky? Nope. I can't remember what the word was, man. Why are there so many trucks, cars, assaults in the background? Assaults? They can't hear assaults in the background. What are you hearing back there? What are you hearing, Clint? What assaults are you hearing in the background?
Dude, why are there so many trucks, cars,
Oh man.
background? Where the hell did you move to?
How? There's no assaults in the background, okay? Hey, what are you hearing, man? Egster. Squeaky? Shizzle? Shizzle. Let me see here. I'm trying to find something. Give me all your Bitcoin. Give me all your Bitcoin right now. Is this what you're hearing, Clint? Give me all your Bitcoin right now. If you don't give me all your Bitcoin right now, give it to me. Give it to me now. If you don't give it to all me, I'm going to make you buy some SHIB. I'm going to be Clint, and I'm going to make you buy all the SHIBs. You better give me all your Bitcoin right now, man. Give it to me. No! Give it to me now. No! No! There was salts in the background. Come on, man. No assaults. When Lambo? I think we call off Lambo for now. I think we'd say when Jeep Grand Cherokee. When Jeep Grand Cherokee. That's a good one. And we're gonna be patient with the Lambo, but when Jeep Grand Cherokee, Jeep Grand Cherokee, maybe in a few months, maybe we can get a Jeep Grand Cherokee. That's what I'll say. All right. What else you guys saying in here? Mean Mug, what's going on, Mean Mug? I appreciate you not mean mugging me. I appreciate your name just being Mean Mug. Shout out to you, man. Ved Agrawal became a member. What's going on, Ved? Oh, Ved. Very, very bullish on your name, man. Everyone welcome Ved Agrawal as a member. Let's go, baby. Ved, what's going on, man? I know you guys probably want some Vitalik clapping. When Vitalik clapping? Right now. Right now. Right now. Hold up. There he is.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping.
I better see everyone doing it. I better see everyone doing it. If I don't see everyone doing it, I'll be very, very upset. Very, very upset. There it is. There it is. Stick the plunger on his face. Just go get the plunger. Go get the plunger. Bye. Go get me the plunger. I'll just put it on my head. And I'll just be Jimmy with a real plunger on my head. Let me know. Let me know in the chat if I should just put a real plunger on my head just to be Jimmy until we can find Jimmy. Okay? Let me know. And you guys are going to say, oh, there's already a plunger on his head. There's already a plunger on his head. There isn't. There isn't. All right. Clint said... All right, Clint. I don't know if I want to do that bet, man. I don't know if I want to do that bet, dude. Because here's the thing. I usually win the crypto-related bets, but when it comes to troll bets... I usually lose because people love to troll me, man. People love to troll me. Yes? Wiggly plunger? Oh, Wiggly. Wiggly. That was it. Didn't even start with an S. Wiggly. Yes. Woo! I'm back. I'm back, guys. Strap up. We're going to the moon, baby. Strap up. I'm back! Woohoo! 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 All right, Jimmy's back. There he is. Really, the killer is back. The killer's back. Let's go, baby. Car of the Moon's son? I don't know about that. All right. Anyways, we missed you, man. Shout out to Jimmy. We found him with Wiggly. That was it the whole time. I thought it was started with S. I thought it was squiggly, but it was Wiggly. I was close, but no cigar. Now get the real George back. All right. I don't know what real George's name is. If you guys can help me, all right, we'll do this at the end of the stream. All right, let's actually talk about normal things here, and then here's what we'll do at the end of the stream. Whoever wants to help me, we will sit here and find George's head. Okay, sound like a deal? Sound like a deal? If you guys like that idea, let me know in the chat. At the end of the stream, we will find George's head together. All right? We will find it together because I need some help. It's not easy finding these heads. All right? Not easy. Some heads are... We're not going to go there. All right, let's see. What software is that for the wiggly plunger? Snapchat filter. Snapchat. I forget what it's actually called. Hold on. I can tell you right now. It's actually called Snap Camera. Snap Camera is the filter, man. So there you go. You wanted it. There you go, man. Snap Camera is the filter. I'll find George now. It is what it is. Let's go. No now. Everyone's not to do now. Listen, there's a lot of people in here that actually want to talk crypto, right? Not everyone in here wants to just, find George's head, okay? Like, no one searches the stream. No one searches Bitcoin live on YouTube and is going to sit here while we go, all right, is this George's head? No, I think it was round. I think it was round head. No, it was square. It was definitely square head. No one wants to listen to that crap. All right. Anyways, one more thing on Bitcoin before we get into some altcoins and start talking about weird stuff. The 3-day MACD. Okay, the 3-day MACD has we've been talking about this, and this is another one. We'll get DJ Khaled back too. This is another one that we've been watching every single time. The 3-day MACD has flipped bullish. And you guys know I'm not a big fan of the MACD when it actually comes to momentum. But when there's good fractals like this, I do like the MACD. The MACDizzle. Every time that this flips into bullish momentum, all right, Bitcoin goes on another major run. It's holy moly. Hold on. That's loud. Every time this flips bullish, right here, Bitcoin goes on a run. We're starting now. Flip bullish there, went on a run. I know I keep bringing this up, but I think, these things are continuously good to remind people of, right? Because every time we get it, Bitcoin goes on a run. Every time we get it, Bitcoin goes on a run. Literally every single time. You can even go back in the past, right? You can even go back into 2019, right? Bitcoin had a 3-day MACD flip here. Bitcoin went on a run. Bitcoin had a 3-day MACD flip here. Bitcoin went on a run. Right? Every single time it happens, Bitcoin goes on a run. Another reason why I'm confident right now. Okay? And you might be saying, Jordan, you're sounding a little bit too confident right now. I will say that I am cautiously optimistic. Okay? I know I've been maybe a little bit pessimistic the last few weeks. Okay? And it's I guess that's kind of my fault because you guys know I'm a bull at the end of the day. I don't want to sound bearish. And I think, there are a lot of good things in long-term charts. I think sometimes we get, and even myself, right? A quick rant alert here. Even myself just zooms into the 1 hour, zooms into the 4 hour, and just gets lost on these shorter-term time frame charts. And that's what I was doing for a little bit, okay? I admit it. I was probably getting lost a little bit on the shorter-term time frames when I should have been zooming out. I should have been looking at on-chain stuff. I should have been looking at weekly time frames. I should have been looking at anything higher than the daily. And there's a lot of good things happening on the daily time frame and up on-chain indicators. A lot of bullish fundamental news going on right now. It's hard not to be bullish for the long term. Now, obviously, short term, anything can happen. We know it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin can roll over tomorrow. But in the grand scheme of things, okay, in the general grand scheme of things, as I would say, I think it's hard not to be at least bullish at the moment. I will say that, okay? I will say that. Round and cheek. Rule cheek. I don't know what that means, Crypto Back. I hope I'm not saying anything bad. It sounds kind of bad. It sounds a little bit bad. And what I will say is, right, I was actually taught this, right? The rule of 3. 3 is a very powerful number, okay? Bitcoin has rallied up to the 60K region twice, okay? Will this third attempt be the one that pushes us up to the promised land where we want to be, okay? We did it once. We did it twice. Will the third time be the charm here, okay? If we get that move up to that region. Maybe it is. We know the third time can be the charm. It's like a saying. Third time's the charm, right? I think that's the saying. Isn't that the saying? I think so. Third time is the charm. And 3 is a powerful number, right? Daniel said, stop lying, it's going to 20K. Listen, man. Listen. Bitcoin can do whatever it wants to do. But if you want to sit there and wait while Bitcoin goes to 20K, while everyone else is riding this train to the upside at the moment, be my guest. I'm not going to do that. So if you want to be that bear that just waits on the sidelines, well, Bitcoin has a little bit of a rally to the upside, right? Listen, I'm going to be taking profits on the way up, okay? We're almost at my first take profit level, right? I'm going to, if you want to be that guy, here's what I'll say. If you want to be that guy, keep being that bear that keeps waiting. You're going to be exactly like that bear, right? If you're waiting for 20K to buy, you're going to be exactly like that bear in the 2018 bear market waiting for 1K. You're going to be that bear in the summertime waiting for 20K, right? You're going to be that bear before Bitcoin went on a rally in 2020, when it was just showing at 10K. You're going to be that bear that's waiting for 6K again, right? I'm telling you right now, if you want to keep waiting for those lower prices, by all means, I'm going to dollar cost average on the way down, right? Stop waiting for a specific number. I think a lot of people make this stupid thing where they wait for this specific number to buy, okay? It's always better to DCA on the way back down. It's all what I've learned. It's DCA. It's good to DCA your way out on the way up. It's what I learned in 2021. So take it for what you will. If you want to be that bear that just waits for 20K, by all means, you may be waiting for a while, okay? You may be waiting for a while, if not forever. Just saying, man. Just saying, okay?
Rant alert.
Someone said, is Maya bullish? I don't know. Is she? Oh, she said yes. She's bullish too. We're all bullish. I'm bullish. We're all bullish. Layer 2 said, Jordan, you were that guy last week. No, Layer 2. No, Layer 2. Layer 2, we're not doing this today. We're not doing this today. But Jordan, you were bearish last week. You were literally that guy waiting for 20K last week. That's what you said. No, Layer 2. I had never said that. I have held my whole portfolio up to this point. So no, I am not that bear that doesn't own any crypto at the moment and is waiting for 20K to buy. I own my whole portfolio right now. I have not sold one damn thing. Okay? So no, I am not that guy, Layer 2. Okay? I know you're just trolling, man, because you're in here all the time. You're a little bit of a troll, Layer 2. But I am not that guy. All right? So don't be calling me that guy, because I am not that freaking guy. I am a hodler. I do not sell unless the price is going up. I don't sell when the price goes down. That's one of the dumbest things you can do in crypto. Okay? That is literally one of the dumbest things you can do in crypto, is sell as the price is going down. You should always be selling as the price is going up. If you want to be that guy, man. Be that freaking guy. Be him. Be him. Clint said, liar, pants on fire. Clint, I'm actually serious. I have not sold anything. You know me. I'm always honest, man. I'm always honest. I get a lot of heat for saying I'm taking profits at 46K. You guys gave me a lot of heat for that, but I'm going to be honest. I am going to take profits at 46K. Nothing has changed in my view. I'm going to keep taking profits. I'm going to keep doing it. You're not that guy. You're not that guy. Billy said, in my portfolio, I have about 55% of BTC, a little over a half. Do you think I should take profits on the way up? I was trying to accumulate to get 1 BTC. It's up to you, man. It depends on your strategy. What I will say is my biggest lesson. This is my biggest lesson in 2021, and I will not be that idiot, okay? I will not be that idiot that sits on my whole portfolio this time. I am not going to be that idiot again. I am taking profits on the way up. That's what I'm doing. It depends. If you want to hold for 5+ years, your whole stack, okay, then don't take profits. But if you want to, in case, Bitcoin goes up a little bit, right, you sell some so you have a little bit of stable coins on the side, where in case Bitcoin does go lower, you have more stable coins to buy again. I'm not taking profits to go into fiat. I'm taking profits to have more stables to buy if the price goes lower, right? All that money goes right back into crypto at the end of the day, just at a good time. So it totally depends on your strategy, man. Some people will say, no, never sell. Some people will say it's smart to sell on the way up. What I've noticed is the big whales and the big wallets, they take profits as the price goes up. They don't wait for the exact top, okay? They don't wait for the exact top. They incrementally take profits on the way up. And they incrementally DCA on the way down. And that's the strategy I'm going with at the moment. Dale said she's going to dump folks. There we go, man. Jordan's stable hand. Facts. XLM. Oh, and but I hope that answers your question, Billy. Hope that answers your question, Billy. Clint said, Clint, I did not hear any truck. There was no truck that just went by. You're making it up at this point. You running a tomato farm. You're just making it up at this point, man. David said, Jordan, what's your opinion on stablecoins? I have mostly USDC, but I just wanted to hear from you. Any one of them's fine to me. USDT, USDC, whatever one you want to use, man. It's all personal preference at the end of the day. I mean, a lot of these get, some backlash. Like, oh, Tether's not, Tether's bad, Tether's bad. Whatever one you want to use, you use, okay? A lot of that stuff's overblown, man. I would say that, I when I move my stuff out of crypto, I do keep it in stables. But, I would say it doesn't really matter, to be honest. Mean Mug said, Proppy Pro, please. They auction a house in Florida. Pro? Is that Proton, man? Let's see what Proton's doing. Looks like ETC's trying to make a move up, by the way. Proton. No, Proton's doing exactly what we said. I mean, if we look at Proton here, we broke this downtrend of resistance, and now we came back down and back tested it. Look at that back test on the daily. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that back test. Oh, that's like sexy. That is so sexy. Okay, that is so sexy. That's sexier than that's sexier than Bob thinks Melissa is right now. Okay. Hey, Melissa. I like your back test. You want to back test me, baby? You want to back test me? Come here a little bit closer. Just come back test this neckline. But no, seriously. Look at this back test in the daily. I mean, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful back test. You haven't really quite got the momentum just yet, but you might just be cooling off. Be cooling off for the move. And I'm sure the 4 hour is, back testing the 4 hour. You still haven't quite gotten the move yet, but just looks like you're just coiling up. Just coiling up. Lower highs, higher lows. Could be coiling up for a move here in the next few hours, probably. It's not a perfect triangle, but you get the point, right? Consolidation, volume dropping off, usually means that you're in some type of consolidation period, waiting for a move up, especially when the volume's dropping off like that. So I would say that this is probably going to be a bullish continuation unless Bitcoin takes a major, major, major dump to the downside. All right. Let's see. Bob's got a rising wedge. The rising wedge. I would say Bob's is probably more like a Head and Shoulders, but like a very, very a very, very wide Head and Shoulders. That's what I would probably say. I don't know if it's a wedge. Imagine having a wedge. All right. Anyways. Let's see. I'm bullish on corn dogs. We can talk about corn dogs. That's a great topic here. I don't love corn dogs. I know people love corn dogs. I would rather just have a plain hot dog. All right. Let's do a poll real quick. Let's do a poll. Would you rather have a plain hot dog, or a corn dog? Let me know in the chat. Plain corn. Here we go. What would you rather have in the chat? Corn dogs. Listen, I'll eat it. There's nothing wrong with a corn dog. Like, I will absolutely nail a corn dog. Like, if you put it in front of me, it's going in my stomach, right? It's going in the stomach, whether you like it or not. I don't care how full I am, it's going in. But if I had to choose, I'm taking a Fenway Frank all day. I'm taking a Fenway Frank. If you haven't had a Fenway Frank and you ever go to Boston and you happen to go to a Red Sox game, you got to get a Fenway Frank. They are very, very good. Very, very good. They're juicy. You know, just, I love Fenway. I love food. I could talk about food all day. It's usually what I do. Oh, man. Let's see what you guys are saying. Oh, Plane is winning. Let's go. Plane is winning, baby.
Strap up. We're
You
going
guys
to the
always agree with me on
moon.
food. I have good food taste. That's why. I don't think you guys have ever disagreed with me on food. Maybe the purple Doritos. A lot of you guys voted for the red Doritos, which is disgusting, by the way. Red Doritos suck. They have no flavor. All right? We're not going to get too much into that, though. We've already talked about we already talked about Doritos so many times on this channel. I think YouTube's algorithm might be thinking I'm a Dorito channel, right? If you search Dorito, actually someone do this. If you search Dorito, see if my channel one of my videos pops up, because there was one time we talked about Doritos for like 20 minutes. I feel like, so someone search Dorito and tell me if I pop up. Wait, I thought I had the Carl filter on for a second. I was like, my beard's gone. All right. We voted blue. You mad, man? Oh, blue. I mean, listen, blue kind of... blue kind of sucks too, man. Blue's not great. Blue's not great. Here we go. Who's cackling in the background? You guys are the best. Who's cackling? Who's that in the background? You guys are so nosy. Who's that in the background? I hear cackling. I hear cackling. You guys are some of the most nosy people in the world, man. And I love it. You can be nosy. You can be nosy. You guys have seen me stream from bathroom before. Denise said Fear and Greed Index. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. 50. We actually went down from yesterday, which... This stuff makes no sense sometimes. Literally make no sense. Fear and Greed ads. All right. How are you going to tell me? I guess it makes sense. No one likes zip-up hoodies. How are you going to tell me that a zip-up hoodie is 22% off? Okay, a zip-up hoodie, 22% off. And a plain long-sleeve shirt has no deals. It makes sense because no one likes... Listen, zip-up hoodies suck. It makes perfect sense. But, you know, at the moment... Someone broke into your house. There you go. Creepy laugh. Oh, man. That's too funny, man. Who's laughing at the... Here we go. But anyways, yeah, I mean, dude. I'm kind of offended by this. I would totally buy this shirt right here if it was like 22% off too. Totally would buy it. But we're at 50. I mean, we went lower for some reason today, even though Bitcoin went up. That tends to be the case for some reason. People are very... that stuff takes a bunch into consideration. But, you know, I'll leave it for what you guys say. Wow, they look good. Holy moly. I can see myself on like two screens right now, so it's kind of it's like Inception tonight. It's like Inception. Boom, boom. It's great. All right, dude. Why does Bitcoin do this every night? It pumps every day. Every day Bitcoin pumps, and it's never here. We always go down on my stream. I guess you should just. I guess you should just short in the beginning of my stream. That's the move, man. That's the move. Why are you streaming with a girl here? Listen, she enjoys my stream. You know, it might be a little weird that, you know, she sees me with Jabba and Bob on here, but that's okay. I totally don't do creepy faces when I do it. Junior beef three-way. You got it, Ross. You got it, Ross. Junior beef three-way. All right, is any alts doing anything right now? ETC is really the only thing kind of moving up. ETC is about 2%. Not really. I mean, in the general grand scheme of things, it's not really doing much. Actually, ETC. Ooh, ETC. Ooh, ETC. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Why do I like ETC right now? You guys know I like I don't love ETC, but it's a speculative play. we broke the swing lows. So not only did we break the downtrend of resistance, but we also broke the swing lows. ETC not looking too shabby. Let's freaking get busy. George the filter. Always the filter, man. Look at ETC go. Look at ETC. No, but ETC looks good because it broke the swing lows. That's what we want to see from multiple altcoins. And that is perfect. That's both the steps we want to see. So what's the next target for ETC? Okay. Let's actually just take our Fibonacci's. You guys know we're all about the Fibonacci's here. All right. Why am I keeping my hand up like this? I had my hand up like I had my hand up like this for like 10 minutes. My hand was just like this. All right, anyways, swing high to swing low. Let's see what we're looking at here. So 236 broken, swing low is broken. The next logical level to watch is the 382, which is the next swing highs. We're looking at 37.96 as the next level to watch, as long as the pickle doesn't come out. I actually think that was Jimmy this time. So 38 bucks, if in all seriousness, is the next level of watching for ETC. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Even Jimmy's bullish on ETC, man. Even Jimmy is. Strap up. ETC's going to the moon. Let's go. Who else is bullish on ETC? Let me know in the chat. Raise your hand in the chat if you're bullish like me. I'm so bullish. I'm so bullish. I'm always bullish. I was lost for like 3 weeks. I was kidnapped. I was kidnapped by Savvy. Savvy kidnapped me. He doesn't like bulls. He took me on a fishing trip. He took me on a fishing trip. And he didn't bring me back. Savvy. Beware of Savvy. But I'm bullish anyway. I'm back. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, man. Savvy. Let's see. Who's that cackling in the back? Oh, jeez. Let's see. What does he mean to you, Jimmy? All right, let's see. So that is... Maybe report this to the FBI. That's really the only thing that's moving. I mean, XRP's up 5.5%. I think everything else is chilling. Everything else is chilling, at least right now. Par for the course. Let's see. All right. Well, in the meantime, if you guys want to look at altcoins, let me know. All right. We need to find George's head. Okay. And don't make this a dirty joke. Okay. Don't make this a dirty joke. Clint, bro. Here we go. Clint, I firmly disagree with you, man. There's multiple reasons that I disagree with you on that, okay? There would be a scenario where that would be true, but I disagree with that because multiple different scenarios. If Clint came out, yeah, she's going to be pissed. Oh, man. Listen, I disagree. George gives the best head. Maybe for the ladies, I don't know. Maybe for the ladies, George gives the best head. All right, let's find George's head. What do you guys think that George's old head was called? I tried square head. I tried big head. I tried circle head. I tried oval head. I tried every single head. All right? I don't know what it's called, man. I don't know what it's called. I know it's something like that. No idea. No idea. If you guys have any ideas what what the head is, let me know in the chat. But we need to find it tonight. That's bad, bro.
She enjoys my stream. She enjoys
Oh, dude.
Clint fully said that.
You're looking for an enemy.
I am calling over 45
She's calling you out, Clint.
a week.
She's calling you out. What do you got to say, Clint? All right, let's look at our hot dog poll here. Would you rather have a plain hot dog or a corn dog? 57% said plain. 57% pled plain. DJ said balding Chinese big head. Bro, that's so bad, dude. Come on, man. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. Oh. Yeah.
Happy
This is for winning the hot dog contest. But
Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik
Egg?
clapping.
Blockhead. These are killing me. Blockhead? Come on, man. Alright. Oh, man. This is too funny. Alright, let's see. Let's try block. Let's try blockhead. See if this comes up. Wait! This is even better. Yo. I can't do this. That's too much. That's too much, dude. Can we look at AMC? I got you, Sapphire, for AMC real quick. We'll look for George's head in the meantime. AMC. Let's see. I think you mean AMC the stock, I'm assuming. AMC's getting a nice pump. ASP's AMC's getting a really good pump right now. But listen, if you take the downtrend, you're still going to break this. But you know, AMC with a nice pump. I mean, Daily was oversold. You didn't have bullish divergence, but you know, at least at the moment, okay. At least at the moment, it's looking very, very good. And you might even be making some type of W reversal here on AMC. For all AMC, is it AMC? I don't even know if I can say that word. Wasn't the A word? Wasn't that like banned or something? But you know, up, down, up. You break the neckline here, which it looks like you're doing. Right, the neckline was right there right there. Right, looks like you broke the neckline. Let's see if we close it on the daily. But we smack this. We smack that all over the floor. We take our measure move. Let's see if that. I mean, that's obviously going to break the downtrend of resistance as well. So let's take that measure move. We've been looking at 25.67, which also break you out of the downtrend, and that could be a pretty significant move. So listen, AMC not looking too shabby right now. Let's see where we close tomorrow, though. Right? Let's see where we close tomorrow. All right, let me take off this square head. This one's bad. What's this one? That one's not too bad. Oh man, that looks like Carl. I don't know what that looks like. Guys, we gotta find square head. I don't know if it's square head. Let's try square head. Square head. Let's go back to BTC in the meantime. There we go. Let's try this one. Wait, is this it? I don't think this is it. No, this is not square enough. That's not it. Whoa. This looks like that martini guy. I'm saving that one. This looks like that martini guy. Holy moly, man. What a great looking fella. Holy moly. I'm saving that one. Anyways. All right. Egg. Let's see. Egg. Egghead. Try egghead. Looks like Rob. Egghead. No, it's not that one. Let's see. It's not egghead, guys. Listen, we'll keep looking. I'm telling you, I searched across the universe on the Snap app. I searched across the universe. I don't know what it is. That moment when you're out of tea and you're like, you keep drinking it even though you're out. You know? Actually, yeah, I would. And this is why it's great. Someone can get me tea. Bullish on people getting me tea. Very, very bullish on it. Jordan getting clappy tonight. All right. What else can we look at here, guys? I mean, we talked about Bitcoin for like an hour today. We're even talking about AMC at this point. Huge head. You guys just want to search the heads. Okay. I can tell in the chat you guys literally just want to search for the heads. All right, let's. What do you guys got? Any us power? So are you a crypto YouTuber? Yes. The thing about my streams is I stream longer than everyone. So most people only stream for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I tend to stream for 2 hours. At least 2 hours. Especially when the market's hot, I even stream longer than that. So, we have to fill in some time with some talk, okay? We can't talk about crypto for 2.5 hours. I literally die if I talk for crypto for 2.5 hours. And it's too much. It's too much crypto talk. So we got to fill it in with some, with some jokes and some little diggly wigglies and some doogly dooglies, right? Clint wants to look at sand. Let's look at sand for Clint. Clint, I think you got a little bit of an enemy here. You got to watch out, Clint. You got to watch out, man. All right, let's see. So sand is listen. Sand. Sand is. I like what sand is doing. I like what sand is doing a lot. Why do I like what sand is doing? Bada bing, bada boom. You broke your swing lows. What we want to see for all the alts, you smacked your swing lows. I guess you could say, it's really a range, and you could say that you're kind of still in your swing lows, right? Which is really this range here. If you can get back above that range, I mean that's the key. But you broke your previous swing low, which I think is big. Let's focus on this one. But in the meantime, I mean we know that sand broke this downtrend of resistance. Boom. Now you got to do the second thing, which is break back above the previous support. And then you're off to the races. And this is all altcoins. And all we really need, in my opinion, is one more Bitcoin pump. Bitcoin gets one more pump to the upside. You're going to see altcoins go absolutely nuts. I'm saying it now, guys. We get one more move to the upside. You're going to see altcoins, once again, go absolutely nuts. Because they are all at very important resistance levels. And sand is another example of this. Right? This breaks swing lows. I mean, this could go, the next logical level, right? I mean, just looking at it is all the way up here, right? At 559 potentially, right? Previous highs, previous lows. That could be a pretty substantial move there. Volume's still low. It is what it is. Volume's going to be volume. The volume was low down here too, and then it just exploded. So you never know with some of this stuff. But saying that, in the short term, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Cooling off the 4-hour RSI nicely for potential move up too. I wish I owned more sand, man. I really do. TV head. Yep. Okay, yes, I'm not kidding about this. All these alts, that's just one example. You look at any alts, man. And this is why I'm really hoping Bitcoin doesn't stall out at this level and it just goes up one more level because, we can go over all the altcoins. They're all doing the same thing. Look at Ethereum, right? Let's go look at ETH real quick. Where is ETH sitting? ETH is, I guess, is a little bit different. ETH is already above the previous swing lows, which is fine, right? So ETH, I guess, a little bit different. I guess it's not the best example. We looked at Cardano earlier that had the same situation. We have DOT, right below the previous swing lows. Bitcoin gets one more move. DOT breaks these swing lows and DOT's off to the races, right? I'm sure Matic has a similar scenario, right? Matic's right below swing lows, right here. Right below swing lows, break the previous swing low. Matic's off to the races, also right at downtrend of resistance. I have my hand up again. Here we go. What do I do with my hands? You ever seen the Anchorman movie? What do I do with my hands? And they're just sitting here. It's the same thing for Matic. Swing low, you break this, boom, right? Off to the races. And you got a little symmetrical triangle going on too that you're watching. But at the end of the day, I can go over all the examples. They're all at these levels, man. They're all at these levels. So what's Bitcoin doing? Does Bitcoin get another 618 retrace? Let's see. Let's take this swing low to the swing high. Dude, it's like clockwork. It's like clockwork. Bitcoin keeps bouncing off the 618. It keeps doing it every single time it has a pullback on any time frame. That's at the hourly and below. It keeps coming back down to the 618 and bouncing up higher. At some point, it won't work, right? At some point, it won't work. But look at again for BTC. From swing low to swing high, you came back down, back tested the golden pocket zone, and then you started to get a move back up. It's exactly what we want to see. So would I be surprised if Bitcoin just continues to move up here? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We've seen it time and time again. I'm not going to go through all the examples, but it's just another one, dude. Another one. Another one. Maybe look at the 15-minute. A little 15-minute time frame. You're going to see the same thing. Right? Just a nice little, I mean, you can call this a bull flag if you want, but I mean, right off the 618, is this going to be the time where Bitcoin pumps and continues up higher? It's cooled off the hourly time frame. Nice. Hourly is set, ready to have a move if it wants to have a move. So let's see. Let's see if Bitcoin can get the juice to bounce from this again. Ricky Bobby. Oh, that was Talladega Nights. Sorry. That was Talladega Nights. Talladega Nights. Thank you. You're the best. I got my tea, guys. It magically appeared. Just kidding. It didn't magically appear. Oh! Uh-oh. It's okay. It's okay. My laptop might combust here, but that's okay. That's okay. Fear and greed index dropped. Yeah, that makes no sense. The Bitcoin price went up, and the fear and greed index went down. You never know with the fear and greed index, man. You never really know. You never really know. Now back to the George head. Okay. We can sit on Bitcoin in the 15-minute, look for the George head. All right. So, you know the deal, right? We looked at tens of altcoins. All right. Let me know. All right. LipG wants to look at Clint, man. You got to chill. LipG wants to look at Luna. Let's look at Luna real quick. So Luna. Luna. Let's see. So I think we looked at Luna yesterday, and we said, it's done kind of what we expected it to do on the 4-hour time frame. You can see here, classic rising wedge, right? Higher highs, higher lows. What did you do? You came back down, or you came back up after you broke down, came back up, back tested as resistance, and are now moving down. Will it result in anything? We know we had bullish divergence for a second, and that pushed us back up. I know I said it, I could see Luna getting back up here, but for now, what we said, if this gets rejected here, all right, you could see Luna coming back down a little bit lower. Now the technical target is $46. Do I see Luna going back down to $46? I don't know. I don't know if I see Luna going back down to $46. What I will say is at least a move back down to the 618 retrace, like we've been saying for a bunch of things, right? 618 retrace is at the moment at 51.77. I could see Luna coming back down to 51.77 before continuing its move back up after breaking down from this, at least in the short term, right? So don't be surprised if that happens, right? A move back down, 618, bada bing, and then a continuation up. It's what Bitcoin's been doing. It's what everything's been doing, right? So watch that. Watch that. Let's see. William said, hi, man. Newish to your channel. I enjoy your content and your perspective. Straight up, was about to ask about Luna. There you go, Will. There you go, my friend. Ho! Oh, man, that's hot. It's hot, but it burns so good as it goes down. It burns so good. Anyways, let's look for George's head, guys. George's head time. It's George's head time. We already know. All right, so I need your guys' help. We need to find, if you guys are just coming to the stream now, we need to find George's head. George has very good head, okay? George has very good head. So we need to find his head. So wrong, man. All right, let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Who knows? All right, let's try, should we try big? Let's see. Big, maybe. No, it's not big. It's not big. Man, I love the original George head. It's so perfect. It pains me here. Let me just try head. Let me try head, man. Whoa! Nope, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it, man. The mustache. Trapezoid head. Brick head. All right, let's try brick head. Brick head. Nope, not brick head. We got a donkey though. Whoa! What's going on, Shrek? You got any waffles? And tomorrow we're eating waffles. We're eating waffles. Look at Shrek. Look at Donkey, man. Why does Donkey look so baked right now? Holy moly. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. It wasn't Brickhead. It wasn't Brickhead. You guys saying Wendy O teabagged my tea. What? I like that. Clint, I like that. Let's see. Blue waffles. Why is this tea so hot? Because, man, that's what happens. Someone else makes tea for you. It comes out hot. Oval head? Oh, oval head might be good. Let's try oval head. I don't know why we're doing this right now. Bitcoin's holding it. Listen, I think this is where Bitcoin's going to come back up. So we're going to chill for a little bit. Oval head. Let's see. Not seeing oval head on here. You got any cool ones to show, though? I don't know what this is. A blueberry? Woo! I'm a blueberry. I'm a blueberry. I'm a blueberry. I love blueberry pancakes. Do you love blueberry pancakes? Because I do. All right, we're done with the blueberry. We're done. Blockhead? I feel like it would be blockhead. You're right. But it's not blockhead. It's not blockhead. It's not. I feel like it should be. Ah, man. Can't believe we're looking for George's head for so long. Blockhead. This isn't it. That's not it. I'm George. This kind of looks like George. Actually, this one. This kind of looks like George. It's not the same one. This one's pretty good too. I'm George. We're all George. We need the original one. Oh, guys, I'll have to look at it after. I'm not going to search the whole stream for look for George's head. Cube head? All right, we'll try cube head, and then if cube head doesn't work, then we'll have to call it a night here. Cube head. Cube head. Whoa! You guys bullish on crypto? Because I am, baby. My name's Ice Cube. My name's Ice Cube, and I'm a rapper. I'm a big papa. I can't rap. Oh, man. The only thing that came up with that was Ice Cube. Original was fire? It was. Block face? Is it block face? It's like some of you guys have to have this app. You can help me out. You know? Block face. No, not block face. It's not block face, guys. Bearish on block face. Canceled for that? How was I canceled for that? Because you gotta be kidding me. You can't do anything in this world. You literally can't do anything in this world, man. Everything's offensive. You guys know me. Everything in this world's offensive. Can I rant about that real quick?
Rant alert.
You do anything nowadays, that's offensive. That's offensive. That's so offensive. I can't believe you did that. That is so offensive. How are you gonna put mustard on my McDonald's cheeseburger? That is ridiculous. I am canceling this restaurant. That is ridiculous. You put mustard on my cheeseburger? I didn't ask for mustard. Yeah, you could easily just make me another one in 2 seconds. But I did not ask for mustard on my cheeseburger. It's ridiculous, man. People are crazy nowadays. They really are. They're literally crazy. This world is just... Don't get me started about this world. I can't deal with most of the world. I can't. That's why I'm not about drama, not about negativity. If anyone comes up with drama or negativity to me, I'm literally just gonna ignore it, man. It's not. I'm not trying to be offensive. It's not that I don't care. It's just, man. We'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. Because I always end up saying things for things that I probably shouldn't say. You are so necessary. So necessary. All right. Let's see. That looks like final stand. Wait. Hold on. Whoa. Yeah, yes. There it is. I'm George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to talk about how Jordan found my head. I give great head. My head is so great. Jordan found my head today. I am super, super bullish on Jordan's channel. I am super, super bullish on crypto. The biggest bullish factor ever right now is Jordan finding my head. Shout out to Jordan. Guys, this means that Bitcoin is going to go up. Bitcoin is going to go up to 100K, 100%. Bitcoin is going to go up. So what I will say is, that's extremely bullish. There's so much bullish fundamentals going on right now. This is great. All right. Now let's do some Q&A. No, I'm not gonna answer that question. I'm not gonna answer that question, man. Why did I only talk about Luna after it pumped? Why did I never talk about Luna in 2021? Listen. I just think Luna's a really good project. Obviously, I didn't really talk about it in 2021, but I think Luna's a great project, man. I just think Luna's a great project. All right, what else we got? Scrolling up. Did I miss anything? Scrolling up. No, I think I got everything. All right, guys. It's been real. Go follow me at cryptosaurus.com. See you later. All right, let me put the hat back on. There we go. Scrolling up. Let's see. Answer these nuts. Luna's a rug. Matt Damon. Matt Damon. That Matt Damon ad came right at the top when Bitcoin was at 69K. Is it a coincidence? Probably not. Probably not. Let's see. Let's see. Bong a White Claw and stream. Oh, man. I would totally do it, but you know YouTube, man. You know YouTube. This is why I want to do a dual. I want to start streaming on Twitch and YouTube. I probably should start doing that, man. I was thinking for a while to stream on Twitch in the mornings and stream on YouTube at the nighttime. Because on Twitch you can do crazy crap on Twitch, you know. But I never got around to doing that. But maybe someday we'll go over there. It's an untapped market. Well, there's some people over there. Blue Collar said, "You're ever gonna have a co-host for the stream?" It's another thing that I've been thinking about for a while too. I would love to have someone to have back and forth on. I think that would make it awesome, right? I think people like a little bit back and forth, and you know, obviously we have a little bit back and forth between, you know, me and my brothers and stuff. But we have some guests on. But I think, you know, that would be actually a good idea. Have a co-host on would be very, very good. It's just a matter of finding someone to do it that would be willing to stream for you know 2 hours or whatever every single night at 6:30. Not many people are willing to do that. You know, not many people are willing to do that. Let's see. Don't get twitchy on me. Rumble too, just to diversify. Yeah. I'll be your TJ. You push back and I'll push forth. Big J. Big J. Bullish on Big J, by the way. No co-host needed, said Lewis. I mean, listen. I would think it would be good. And I want to start having more guests. I want to start having guests on the stream. Like actual guests. I want to start having actual guests on the stream. I keep saying that. I just never get around to it. But I have to. I gotta start reaching out to people. I guess it's kind of my fault. I guess it's kind of my fault. I like doing my own thing. I always have. Like doing my own thing. But I gotta start reaching out to people. You would have to live. John, man. John, dude. Bullish on Big D. Cody. All right. See, I don't want to get off here, guys. I think this is going to be a point where Bitcoin could have a big move here. I think this is going to be the point where Bitcoin bounces off this golden pocket zone and starts to continue up. I really, really do. I think this is going to be the point where this happens. You know what I mean? Maybe make sure I don't get rid of George here again. There we go. But I really think this is going to be the point, right? We've seen this consistently. I can go back and show you guys all the times, right? I know I said I was going to do that earlier. But if you look here, right? If you look at right here, you look at swing lows. Even look at swing lows. The swing highs, right? 618 retrace, continuation. Right? Even look at back here, I think it was. Where was the other one? There was one other one that was like perfect like that. Where was it? I don't know where it was. But you guys get the point, right? You guys get the point. Could be a nice move there. It's pretty much the same thing Bitcoin did here, if you look at it really closely, right? A little bit of a bull flaggy flag off the 618. And then a move back up. Pretty much the same thing you're doing now, right? A little much of a bull flag, continuation back up. It's pretty much the same thing. We're on the 15 minutes. Keep that in mind, but I think that's what we're going to see. 9:30 p.m. Asia wakes up. We hanging that long? 9:30? Probably not 9:30, man. Probably not 9:30. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, a little bit. I spoke too soon. I said, here we go, and everyone looked at the screen. Everyone was looking at something, and I said, here we go, and everyone looked. Literally everyone. Even me. Even I was like, let's see. Gridin said, I think Bitcoin honey badgers the CPI report. You can't listen to anything these guys say. You're going to hear this report, and you can't believe anything that comes out of these guys' mouths. So, whether Bitcoin pumps or dumps because of it, it's not really true in my opinion. Not really true in the grand scheme of things. All right. Let's see. Anything moving? ETC still moving up. ET sizzle. What do we say? ETC is going to $38, and ETC is pushing 35. The whales are buying ETC. There he is. Everyone hang five to the whale. There he is. It's probably not the whales, to be honest. Yeah, I still see ETC going to 38 at the moment. But ETC is still moving up. Still moving up nicely. LMAO ETC. This is what happened last time. SHIB was going up. ETC was going up. XRP was going up. You saw all these, I'm not going to say crap coins because people get pissed. Now I'm going to say it. You see all these crap coins start to go up. And that was kind of the start of the last run. You guys remember SHIB. You guys remember the SHIB mania. Okay? SHIB, ETC, what else to say? XRP. All these crappers were going up. Illumina Era, so what's the point of ETC? There's no point. There's no point. Right? The one thing I will say is maybe if Ethereum moves to proof of stake and the miners maybe go to ETC, and I'm pulling straws here. I don't really know, right? But it's more so just a meme because on Robinhood, ETC was the lowest price coin other than SHIB. Okay, so and that's why ETC kind of pumped last time, in my opinion, right? Retail was just getting pumped over ETC because, as we know, when new retail looks at coins, they go, look at how low that price is. That's so low. I could buy 0.1 BTC or I could buy 1,000 ETC. I'm buying Ethereum Classic 100%. I can get 1,000 of them. I'm not buying BTC. I'm buying ETC. Why would I want to own 1,000 of a coin? I don't want to own 0.1. I don't want to own 0.1. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, man. You gotta be, it's crazy. It's crazy. Andrew said, you're the one now shilling SHIB. I'm not shilling SHIB. But if it goes up, I'll get pumped. I'll get pumped if it goes up. Just move. Huge whale. All right, let's see. Milk and tea sounds nasty. Who's putting milk in tea? Who puts milk? Who puts milk in tea? Did someone say that? Did someone say that? Does anyone in the chat put anything in their tea? Anything, honestly, would be kind of nasty. Like, anything that's like liquidy would be kind of nasty. Clint said, I think your SHIB profits are paying for your Vegas trip. Kind of. A little bit. Not quite. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Give it a few months. We could easily get there. Everyone? Who puts milk in tea? What? Nasty. Listen, the whole reason I drink tea is to drink it black. That's the whole reason I drink tea. I'm not putting milk in tea, cream in tea. It defeats the whole purpose of tea. If I wanted that, I'd just drink coffee. If I wanted milk in something, I would just drink coffee. I'm not putting milk in my beautiful, beautiful green tea. I'm not doing that. What do you think this is? You just insulted all of Europe. Just insulted all of Europe. Oh, shit. All right. Bitcoin, guys, I'm getting off. Bitcoin right now is getting rejected by the 0.5 fib there. Listen, in the morning, we'll be on in the morning, right? Same time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys are there. You know, you guys always say, just say the saying. Just say the saying. I'm not going to say it because you guys know the saying. Be there or be weird, okay? Be there or be weird. And make sure you guys don't panic sell your crypto. If anything you took from the stream, you know, all the crazy stuff we talked about, finding Jimmy, finding George, if there's anything we could take from the stream, right, it's no milk in your tea and don't panic sell yo crypto, all right? Those are the two things that we have to take from the stream, all right? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Real quick shill, only at the end of the stream. If you guys do want to trade, use my Bybit link right down below. Don't use Carl's, okay? Helps out the stream. If you want to help your boy out, that's how you can do it, all right? If you want to trade, all right? Link down below. Catch you guys later. See you guys at 10 a.m. and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, all right? Catch you guys later. Peace.